Good morning, Yik'iji. So today's Navajo word of the day, since it is Super Bowl Sunday, is Nídadiine. Nídadiine, which means they will play. Nídadiine. To use in a sentence, you would say, Giants, Patriots, Yik'iji Nídadiine, which means the Giants will play against the Patriots. Giants, Patriots, Yik'iji Nídadiine. If they're playing right now, you would say, nídaané, nídaané, which means they're playing, but it means right now. So for that, you would say, Giants, Patriots, Yik'iji nídaané. Giants, Patriots, Yik'iji nídaané. They're playing against the Patriots. As another bonus Navajo word, the Navajo word for football is Nídaané. Nídaané, football. To use that in a sentence, you would say, Nídaané, nídaané. They are playing football. And that's today's Navajo words of the day, since it is Super Bowl Sunday. Enjoy the game. Have a nice day.